Yeah, welcome back again. So in the last class where we had stopped was Aragon has already made the choice to the casket, that was the silver casket, right? So he was very confident, he is seeing very confident. Well, his motives are also clear. He gives a very good opinion about the gold as well as the silver and base lead as well. Base lead will not consider, he believes very cheap metal, and we should not just keep on undergoing something. For example, boon boon se sagar banta hai, it's like that, no? Okay. So, Portia, you have waited longer than it was necessary for you to find what is there. Okay, too long to pause for that which you find there, and when the door opens, there is something else. Okay. What happened? Portia is looking at the casket and she is saying, for this you had waited so long, you get your great opinion. Okay, this is your reward for what you were thinking. So, Aragon, what's here? The portrait of a blinking idiot presenting with a schedule. That means there is a blinking idiot inside, a skull. Okay. I will read it. How much unlike art thou to Portia? How much unlike my hopes and my deserving. He is thinking, that means my thinking is all wrong. I was having such a broad, confident way of thinking, but I understood now by seeing this blinking idiot that my thinking is really wrong. I really want to read what is my thinking. He wants to accept that and he wants to read. So, who chooseth me shall have as much as it deserves. Did I deserve no more than a fool's head? He is now thinking. That means this is my deserving. He was very confident. He thought that yes, a person will definitely get. That means I'll get Portia if that is in my fortune. That means he believes in fortune. Now he believes if it the fool said, that means he is saying that in my fortune I think I deserve to have a fool's head. Okay, he is thinking that. Is that my prize? Are my deserts so bitter? No better, he is saying, he said no, I want desserts. So he thinks that this is his dessert. Now Portia, too often and judge are distinct officers and of oppressed natures. And then on that note, Portia is saying that the same person cannot both be accused and the judge. Okay, he was keep accusing, that means he kept on accusing the base lead, okay, as well as gave a great opinion about the silver and the gold casket. Now he is being judgmental as well. He is giving his own judgment. He is saying, this is what I accept. That means he is speaking on both fields. That is not accepted, no? So, Portia is saying that. Okay. Now, Portia. Okay. Aragon, what is here? He is reading. The fire 7 times tried this, 7 times tried that judgment is. That did silver choose amiss. Some there be that shadow kiss. Some have but a shadow's bliss. There be fools alive, I wish. Silver do over, and so was this. I will never be your head, so be gone you are sped. Till more fool I shall appear by the time I linger here. With one's full head I came to woo, but I go away with two. Sweet adieu, I'll keep my oath patiently to bear my wrath. Okay, this was written in the. This is half of the half of the statement is being said by Aragon. I will tell you know. Okay. So what was written in the casket inscription along with what the door opened? So it was written about silver casket which he had chosen. The silver of which the casket is being made was 7 times. Silver is always tested 7 times to show its purity. That means once the result doesn't come. Twice result doesn't come. That means altogether it is tested 7 times, then only the accuracy of silver comes out clearly. Okay. And that mind which never commits an error of judgment must be 7 times tested. That means this is like, that means silver's purity is only question mark. So forget about its like loyalty. Okay. There are some people who kiss shadows, and there are some people who go and kiss shadows with an intention. Somebody, I am kissing the shadow, that means I am kissing the person, or I am praising the person. It is wrong. Shadow is a shadow. Understood? And their happiness is as unreal as the shadow. Yes, and their happiness also is as shadow. Shadow is what? Shadow appears when there is no light. There is no shadow. That means what? Your desire is finished. It should not be like that, no. There are certainly many fools living whose foolishness is hidden by the appearance of wisdom. Yes. Okay, by this wisdom. That means they have some tendency of thinking that is limited within themselves. That means they just think, yes, what I am thinking is always correct. There should not be anything else. So this kind of people always suffer in life. Okay, just like how Arrogant had suffered. He gave a good opinion about gold as well as for silver. What he talks about fortune, that is also well said. But what about the lead casket? That means he is rejecting lead casket because it's a cheap metal. It's not that. No. Okay. And then what happens? He says that just as the fool's head was hidden in the silver casket. See, he was thinking that so many things. He gave an answer, no? That means he made a whole statement clearly by his own opinion. But what came? Something wrong. It came everything wrong. Okay. You will always have the head of a fool. So go away, your chance is over. So do not longer stay here. And then a fool I shall appear. That means if I stand here anymore and speak anything else also, that means I will be the foolish person on all this earth. Okay. I was a fool to come here. I am greater fool now when I go. Sweet lady, farewell. I will keep the oath and I have taken and I am patiently endure the calamity. He said, whatever oath I had taken, I promise that I will keep it alive. That means not to marry anyone. With this, he goes out and then Portia speaks. Thus had the candles sink the moth. Oh, these deliberate fools, when they do choose, they have the wisdom of their wit to lose. So what happens? Portia is speaking, okay. This another moth, that means a lover, okay, has burned itself in the flame of love. He also gave lot of explanation about his love, but his statement, lot of statement, but finally when was the choosing time? He failed. Okay. So then I pity those who make the fools of themselves. The person made such a show of deliberation in their selection, but they actually choose, they have just the wisdom to make them fail. Yes, they give lot of opinion with an intention to choosing the right casket, but opening, they are showing that how biggest fool on earth they are. No? Yeah. So then Nerissa is speaking. The ancient saying is no heresy. Hanging and wiving goes on destiny. Yes. So what he's saying? The old proverb says that marriage and death is all it's all the magic of God. Okay, it depends on fate. Fate is made by God. So then it is not a false one. You cannot create your own. I want to get married, so I will get married. It's not possible, no? I just want to die. I will not be able. If it is in your fate to survive, you will survive anyhow. So it's like that. So then what happens? Portia come, Nerissa and draw the curtains. Then the servant again comes. Servant is saying, where is my lady? Where is my mistress? Okay, Portia, here I am. What do you want? What happened? Servant says, a young Venetian has just arrived at the gate to inform you that his master is very coming soon. From Venice. That means this is none other than Bassanio. Okay. He brings us his master's substantial greetings, namely costly presents in addition to polite salutations and gracious words. Okay. Up till now, I have not seen such a suitable messenger of love. Messenger is, the servant is really impressed. That means he is coming with lot of gifts. He is coming with very expensive presents. That means his entry is awesome. Okay. So then a day in April never came sweeter to announce the summer with its rich wealth than its younger messenger coming before his master. That means his appearance created magic among the whole Belmont, I would say. Okay. Then Portia, stop please, I am almost afraid that you will soon say this gentleman is one of your relatives. That means, why are you praising, to servant she is saying, why are you praising this man so much? After all, he is also a suitor, like foolish suitor who might come. So, because you are praising him with such high flown words, come Nerissa, I am eager to see this young messenger of love who comes in such a pleasing manner. That means, really this man has to be seen. He is coming with a great appearance. Okay, Nerissa, oh God of love, this suitor turned out to be Bassanio. She is thinking that This should not be anyone else. This should be Bassanio. Okay. So with this, they go out, and what happened further? That is in Act 3, Scene 1, which we are doing in our next class as well. Okay. Till then, keep reading. Thank you.